Today, we're going to walk through how to make your Outgrow content more accessible using built-in accessibility features and best practices. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and opening your content piece from the builder. From the top panel, go to the Configure tab, then navigate to General and SEO settings and click on General Settings. Here, you'll find the option to enable Accessibility Check. Turn this on and Outgrow will automatically analyze your calculator or quiz for accessibility issues. This feature helps ensure your content aligns with ADA and WCAG compliance guidelines by identifying areas that need improvement, because your content should be usable by everyone. Next, let's look at how to improve accessibility within your content. You can add videos or images to your questions or results pages. When adding images, make sure to include alternative text. This can be done using the question text, help text, or results page text fields in the builder. Alternative text helps users who rely on screen readers understand the content of your video. Outgrow also ensures that all functionality is accessible by using a command palette. This means users can navigate your content without needing a mouse. Make sure your page titles are clear and descriptive. This helps users understand where they are and improves navigation, especially for assistive technologies. Video should only play when triggered by the user to prevent confusion and improve usability. Ensure your content is presented in a meaningful order. Questions and information should flow logically so users can easily follow along. When users make errors while filling out forms, make sure those errors are clearly identified. Outgrow also suggests fixes, helping users correct their inputs quickly and efficiently, such as all images should have alternative text, or the result screen should have a heading for better accessibility. Finally, review your color choices and contrast to ensure readability for all users under the Overall Design tab. Once you've implemented these accessibility features, click on Go Live. Your content is now more inclusive, user-friendly, and compliant with accessibility standards. And that's how you can enhance your Outgrow experiences with accessibility essentials like labels, contrast, and focus. Ready to build more inclusive experiences? Start optimizing your content with Outgrow today.